I have a Leisure Bay Pro Shield hot tub model #XXXXX and the previous owner had someone play in the control panel. The high current loop 240 volts GFCI has been replaced with a 120 volt GFCI unit. Needless to say, it blew. I am looking for a wiring diagram for the control panel. Thank you.
Both 120V lines should be GFCI protected. I recommend going through the manufacturer for this information. It is not uncommon that manufacturers change wiring from their original manuals based on repair part changes and product updates. Since you're saying someone has already made critical changes to the electrical, it would only be safe to have a certified technician bring electrical back to manufacturer standards for user safety. Hello, how can I help you today? I might be able to help you out on this if you're still interested in tracking down a wiring diagram. What you gave in the question body is the hot tub model. Since all manufacturers buy their control packs from other manufacturers, I'd need any information you can give me off of the control box down below itself. Once I have that, I can most likely track down what you're looking for in my database. Just let me know, I'll be happy to help out if you're still looking for that information. It's probably a Hydro-Quip pack, but I just want to make sure, then once I have the information off of the box label, we should be able to come up with something for you. Thanks, Jeff Poolguy 81041649.06032140005.
I have pulled the control panel to look for it. Nothing on panel except the tag with the model number on it. I'm going to attach pics of both the inside and outside of the panel, maybe it will help with it. I can tell you the upper control panel is pneumatic, the jet pump is configured for 120 volts operation, and the circ pump is also 120 volts, the heater is the only thing I see set to run on 240 volts. I removed the heater to repair tank, element ohm ed out at 0.010 resistance, the only date I can find is on the jet pump, its manufacture date is 97. It came with a 50 amp, GFCI disconnect panel. If there is anything else you need, I'll do my best to supply.
The amps are overrated for 120 VC. The GFCI will need to be replaced with proper size to handle 240V 50 amp. Based on what you are describing, this is very dangerous to anyone using tube or even just plugging into GFCI outlet. Your heating element should ohm out around 610 ohms depending on your heater's wattage. GFCI wiring or another fault seems to have shorted your heater element. Ohms would not be that low for a working element. Keep this unit disconnected from power supply until all wiring can be corrected safely.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.